Ayan na. Ayan na.
Hi! What can you see, guys?
On our way to Antonio's with Madam G, Madam A, and Madam S.
Hello!
Here, letter A for amazing,
Yeah, alluring.
alluring. So we're gonna enter.
Captivating.
Yeah.
Ang ganda naman the tree.
We're gonna have a photo shoot
Oh
over
my
there,
gosh,
and we have a
so
photo shoot in the
pretty.
house.
Ganda mo daw.
Wow! Let's go.
Tarta.
Gusto niyo ba yan?
Dalawang appetizer. So nice.
So hi, we are the Wonder Queens. So I'm Annette.
I'm Cheryl. I'm Georgia.
So we're gonna discuss about real estate, all about real estate, right?
Everything about real estate.
So let's start with prospecting siguro. So Georgia,
Yeah.
how do you do prospecting?
Bakit ako unang tinanong? Medyo.
Paano makakain ka? Labo lang.
Okay, prospecting. Well, very casual lang. People that I already like brief. Last name, doctor, architect, the normal stuff na, every day you meet them. Very casual lang. No pushing,
Hard sell.
no hard sell. Yeah. Just tell them what you do, and sometimes you compliment them. If you have a nice house or whatever it is, just lang. Very casual.
Ikaw na, Cheryl. How do you do it?
Ikaw muna.
Ako dito. So ako naman prospecting, siguro it's more on referrals and some other baby style. Also, syempre you join mga clubs, Rotary, or you join ano pa ba? Mga golf.
Yeah.
Pickleball is very in demand ngayon. Similar. So that's where we get clients kasi. So depende syempre sa niche mo kung ano ba talagang target market mo. If you want naman OFW, of course, you go international, you go abroad.
You do roadshows.
Roadshows.
Yeah.
Pero kung mga high-end naman ang market mo, of course, you go where the high-end ka.
Where they usually go.
Ano, mga ganun lang.
Yeah.
So ano pa? Ano pa mga usually ginagawa natin?
Ako naman, I start from my circle. Diba? Family.
Social, mayaman.
Family, close friends, high school friends, college friends.
Yeah.
Tapos, since we also have our family business, sometimes yung mga clients namin doon, may interconnect ko. So, sometimes yung mga clients namin sa security agency, kapag may mga requirements sila, if they are in need of office spaces, yeah, I provide for their needs. Sometimes naman, if they want to sell properties, of course, kini-cater din. So, that's the beauty of it.
Oh, that's good.
So, kain ako. Sorry, ako okay.
So yun, so,
So,
that's how we do prospecting. So watch out to our more vlogs together, our adventures together.
This is actually the first adventure of the
Wonder
Wonder.
and
Wonder.
And we're here at Antonio's Tagaytay. So enjoy.
You're probably asking why we call ourselves Wonder Queens.
Yeah, why?
It's because we like to
Wander around.
Yeah, wander around. We are the modern Dora the Explorers.
So, sige, we hope you're gonna like and watch our videos and syempre, abangan niyo yung mga
Excuses for the bloopers.
Yeah, gala. More gala.
Yeah, and more sales.
Yes.
As we do close our sales, syempre, we share namin.
Kasama din kayo doon sa closing.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye guys!
We are